our example and now create a bar chart using the same information. So we've already created a pivot table. You can watch the last video if you want to see how to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our data. We're going to hit insert, and then we're going to hit the bar. So once we do that, we're going to click on the bars, the first one here, and that will give us our bar graph. You can see it gives us the same information as our pie. This time what we're going to do is we're going to add our labels. So I'm going to go into our design, add chart element, and we're going to do data labels, and I like to put them on the outside end, so we're going to put them above our bars, and you can see this will give us the counts. Then what we're going to do is we're going to change our title again to blood types. So blood types will be here. And then we're going to delete this one over here, and we're going to add some legends to our axis here. So we're going to do our axis title. We're going to do the primary horizontal, and we'll just call this one blood types. And then we're going to change the axis vertical over here. And I'm going to go back into our titles and do primary vertical. And we'll just say number of patients. And then we have our labels. If we knew more about this data set, you could see blood types of patients at a certain hospital for our title. But because we just have our generic data set here, I'm just going to keep it blood types. But if you wanted to edit these further, you could. So that is how you create a bar graph in Excel.